Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of canals. We'll be exploring the top 5 canals in the world, detailing their history, significance, and the estimated cost to build them. These man-made waterways stand as testaments to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of connecting the world. From bustling trade routes to modern engineering marvels, canals have shaped civilizations and driven economic growth. Join me as we delve into the history, significance, and sheer scale of these liquid highways. Our first destination is the Panama Canal, a 50-mile marvel connecting the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. Before its completion in 1914, ships faced a treacherous journey around South America. The French first attempted construction in 1881, but faced immense challenges. In 1904, the United States took over, armed with new technologies and determination. Over a decade of labor and innovative engineering, the Panama Canal emerged, forever altering maritime trade routes. The cost was over $352 million in 1914, equivalent to billions today, but its impact on global trade was immeasurable. Next, we visit the Suez Canal in Egypt, linking the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea. This 120-mile channel significantly reduces travel times between Europe and Asia. The modern canal, spearheaded by Ferdinand de Lesseps, opened in 1869 after a decade of labor. It shortened the journey between Europe and Asia by thousands of miles, bypassing the southern tip of Africa. The Suez Canal remains a vital artery for global trade, handling a significant portion of the world's maritime traffic. We journey to the Kiel Canal in Germany, connecting the Baltic Sea to the North Sea. This 61-mile waterway is the busiest artificial waterway in the world, bypassing the Jutland Peninsula. Construction began in 1887, and the canal opened in 1895, significantly reducing travel times. The cost was around 158 million gold marks, a testament to the project's scale and complexity. Today, the Kiel Canal continues to play a vital role in global trade, showcasing German engineering. Our journey takes us to Greece, where the Corinth Canal connects the Gulf of Corinth with the Saronic Gulf. The idea dates back to the 7th century BC, but it wasn't realized until the late 19th century. Using modern engineering techniques, the canal was completed in 1893, altering the region's navigation. The cost was substantial, totaling an estimated 10 million francs. While it may not handle the same volume of traffic as other canals, its historical significance and beauty make it a must-see marvel. The Corinth Canal stands as a testament to human ambition and engineering prowess. Our final destination is the Erie Canal in the United States, stretching 363 miles and connecting the Great Lakes to the Atlantic Ocean. Completed in 1825, it played a pivotal role in the westward expansion of the United States. The canal provided a direct water route, dramatically slashing transportation costs. Thousands of laborers, many Irish immigrants, toiled for 8 years to complete the project. The total cost was $7 million, but the economic benefits were immense. The Erie Canal transformed the United States, facilitating trade, settlement, and the rise of the American West. As our journey through the world of canals ends, we appreciate these engineering feats and their impact on our planet. From connecting oceans to fueling economic growth, canals stand as testaments to human ingenuity. These waterways continue to facilitate global trade, connect cultures, and inspire awe. The cost of constructing these canals was immense, but their enduring legacy and impact on our world are profound. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating content. See you next time.